Hey everyone, welcome to the Multifocus Hub. Today we are going to learn trial balance of newly started business. Before we proceed, let me show you the formula of this topic. So this is the mini formula. Asset is equal to capital plus liability. We can also write like this. Capital is equal to asset minus liability. This is the question. Kapil Dev wanted to start a newly Kapil Dev wanted to start a new business by purchasing a running business of Gavaskar. He agreed to purchase the following tangible asset. Tangible asset means the one whom we can touch and see, like plant machinery, land building, or intangible assets like goodwill, the one who we cannot touch and see. So tangible asset and liability on 1st April 2024. This is the year for from Gavaskar at the value agreed upon. So this is plant and machinery 50,000, land building 80,000, furniture and fixtures 15,000, stock in trade. This is asset. No, this is opening stock 20,000, sundry debtors 30,000, sundry creditor 18,000, bank loan 20,000. So this is the key point of this question. So let us start reading. By this we can understand how we have to do the sums. Kapil Dev agreed to agreed to pay for purchasing a business for 1,75,000 through a check. On that, you are required to prepare a trial balance of Kapil Dev. So let me show you the trial balance and how to make this go. Let us started making in copy. Anyways, so let us start writing liability and asset. We have to find capital, okay? So writing this is land and building is our asset. So write asset, land and building. Debit side. Oh, sorry, I have to show you. We are making the one you can write capital in bottom, but I am going to write it in first. So you should write it first because it looks more sophisticated. Okay, so write capital first. Just land and building 80,000, plant and machinery, land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures is asset. Debit side, they all are written in debit side. Furniture and fixtures. Stock in trade, stock in trade, this is opening stock. ओपनिंग स्टॉक हम डेबिट में लिखते हैं. So let me tell you, opening stock is our asset. We will be write it on debit side. What about closing stock? We will not write closing stock. Why will because why will not write closing stock? Because closing stock is already given in purchase and opening stock. I will make separate video about it. Okay. Sundry debtor. Sundry debtors. Debtors is our asset. Sundry creditor. Sundry creditors is liability. Bank loan is liability. 20,000. Don't forget to write serial number. If you don't write, your marks will be deducted. So now comes the twist. This is our asset and liability. So total asset is 1,95,000 and total liability is 38,000. According to the formula, we have to find capital, so capital is equal to asset minus liability. If we have two minuses, this question 1,95,000 and 38,000, 1,75,000 will come. Okay, this should be our capital. Then what Kapil Dev have given 1,75,000 means Kapil Dev has given extra amount. Why? So if we minus 1 lakh, so let us first write total price of assets and liability is equal to this. Okay, 1,75,000 and Kapil Dev have purchasing price of the business is 1,75,000. If we minus this with this, then what will come? 18,000. Kapil Dev has given 18,000 extra. Why? Because of goodwill. Okay, goodwill is our asset, so we are adding here goodwill. Goodwill 18,000. Then the total sums will get tally. Otherwise, it will not. This is how you can understand. Like I said earlier, that this is our key point. This is when then in the question it is given that purchasing price of the business means what they are saying, capital. This is the capital, and we have taken our capital is, when we have calculated, then it came this, and the capital which Kapil Dev has given to him, Gavaskar, it is greater than the original capital, so we had minus, and the extra amount which is came is our goodwill. What is the capital which Kapil Dev have given? 1,75,000. When you are calculating it, so before this you have to write that. Okay, total amount is 2,13,000. So if you have understood, so let me tell you one thing also. If there is in the question there is written, if in the question Kapil Dev has given less, अगर क्वेश्चन में कपिल देव कम दिया रहता तो क्या होता, रिजर्व हो जाता वो. इसको हम लोग रिजर्व भी लिख सकते हैं. अगर क्वेश्चन में कपिल देव कम पैसा दिया रहता तो ये रिजर्व हो जाता. रिजर्व हमारा कहाँ जाता है? क्रेडिट में जाता है, तो उसको माइनस करके हमारा क्रेडिट का निकल जाता है. दिस इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन गाइस. दिस आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस टोटल इज. So this is our total calculation. The 18,000 is goodwill and 2,13,000 is our total answer. So this is all about this video. So if you want some extra information or if you have any queries about trial balance, so let me know in comment. I will be there for it. So goodbye, take care.